Do you know the 3 key metrics that have a major impact on the success of your ads? If not, keep watching. Hey, what's up? I'm Antonio from Antonio Thompson Marketing, and we help businesses get more customers with paid ads. To learn more about our services, check us out at antoniorthompson.com. All right, let's dive in. What are the 3 key metrics that have a major impact on the success of your ads? Now, these metrics are relevant across all platforms. No matter if you're advertising on Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, right? It all is relevant. All right, so the first metric is cost per click, also known as CPC. Right? If you have a high cost per click, generally anything over $2, this means fewer people are taking action on your ads. To improve your CTR, you want to try testing out some different audiences. Number 2, click-through rate. Now, it's also known as CTR. If you have a low CTR, meaning it's under 1%, this means that your ad isn't hitting the mark, and there are probably 2 causes of this. Number 1, your offer, and number 2, your hook. Right? You want to make sure your offer is something that people want and that your message is resonating with your audience. Number 3, cost per impression, or CPM. Now, cost per impression is one of the hardest things to control, but it's the best indicator of how much traffic costs, right? Try testing out, different audiences. It also might be worth testing out a different objective. All right, so those are the 3 metrics: cost per click, click-through rate, and cost per impression. We've got a ton more tips to share with you, but be sure to like this video and let me know in the comments, what other metrics do you look for in order to measure the success of your campaigns? Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.